Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope guys will be fine and good, doing well. Speak again another very beautiful and latest stylish month of the bite maxi dress designs ideas. All dresses are unique and stylish dress designs, evening party dress designing ideas for my channel. And you will see this stylish dress designing ideas for my channel. Very amazing and latest, more than hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. All this is unique and stylish and latest, most beautiful mother of the bride dress design ideas, evening party wear dress designing ideas, and the latest stylish mother of the bride maxi dress designs, evening party wear dress designing ideas. So till the next video guys, and inshallah all videos keep visiting my channels and you will see the stylish Lace dress designing ideas and very unique, attractive, more than hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. So till the next video guys, and inshallah all videos keep visiting my channels and all this fabulous and attractive month of the bride lace dress designs, evening party wear dress designing ideas. Most beautiful and creative lace dress designs, okay, wear dress designing ideas, and all this fabulous and attractive, more than hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. So till the next video guys, and inshallah all videos keep posting my channels and all this is fabulous and attractive lace dress designs, sheet dress designs, and amazing mother of the bride dress designs ideas. More than hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channels, and very latest and stylish mother of the bride embroidery dress designs, silk dress designs,